In these short videos, I'll be showing you all the documents needed for your online registration, that is your NYSC online registration. As we all know, registration is fast approaching, and there are some documents we need to familiar with or required documents that are needed for NYSC registration. You understand? Both for Nigerian student, foreign student, and married woman, we need to have all these documents, necessary documents. Now, first and foremost, before anything, you must have seen your name on NYSC Senate list before you can register. And I've shown you guys how you can check your NYSC, what's it called, NYSC Senate list. You check it, you check the equivalent, you put in your institution name, you understand? You put in your matric number, your surname, and your date of birth. People always complain that the year is not clicking. Just leave it, put in the date, and you click on search. But as at the time of recording this video, I don't think schools have started uploading names on NYSC portal. You understand? So, because if you should check now, fill the graduation list. If you should check the badge, we are supposed to see the latest badge, which is badge C for 2024, but not yet updated. You understand? So now, first and foremost, you must have seen your name on NYSC Senate list. Then, having done that, there are some accredited cafe for NYSC registration now. You can't just go and register your NYSC registration anywhere. No, it's not possible. You need to locate accredited center. It's very simple. If you don't know the what's it called, the website, go to online and search for NYSC accredited cafe. You see, it's gonna pop up and you see MBO. I think is it MBO or what? Yes, and NYSC CBO. Then from there, you search your area. As you can see, you search for any local government, any state. If you choose your state, if you are in Akwa Ibom, then you choose your local government. You choose it and you search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to pop up. Then you see if you have any accredited center in that area, you're going to see it. If you don't have it there, you will know. You understand? So that is how to search for it. Having done that, now let's go to registration proper. As you can see, this one have. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys is your NIM. Yes, your NIM is very, very important. You need to get your NIM, everything corresponded with your JAMB name. Your name on your NIM must be corresponded with the one on your JAMB profile. You understand? So the first thing I'll be starting with is Nigerian students. Documents needed for Nigerian students. As of this moment, you should know that Nigerian student doesn't upload much thing online. Normally, they do upload passports before, but as it is now, they are doing capturing where they are registering. So let's say, for instance, you want to go to your cyber cafe, you can go with your passport, but they are going to capture you where you are going to register. You understand? So then information needed are just your what's it called, your information, your relevant information, your basic information. You understand? Your basic information, like your date of your name, all this. Now there's something I need to tell you. When you are registering your online registration, this thing is applicable to everyone. Some information should be automatically picked from JAMB profile, and you will see it automatically on your NYSC dashboard during registration. Information like name, state of birth, course, are you with me, age. Those information will be picked from JAMB automatically. You understand? It will be synchronized from JAMB to NYSC portal. So other informations about your schools attended, your area, state visited, your next of kin. You understand? Those are the things Nigerian students are going to fill, and also applicable to everyone. You understand? So they are going to fill that. And some people might be asking that, okay, this what's it called, where can I pick the state I want to be posted to? No, posting is being done randomly now. You can't pick any state. NYSC will post you anywhere they want. You understand? So that is that for Nigerian students. Just go with your passport. Your signature will be captured from where you are registering, and they will upload that. That is for Nigerian students. Are you with me? Nigerian student. That is for Nigerian students. Those are the things needed, and your basic information, your address, your next of kin. That is that. And now let's move on to married woman. Please, before I move on, you will go with your NIM. And like I said earlier, the name on your NIM must be corresponded with the one on your JAMB profile. I think I've dropped a video on that. You can check it, how you can get it done. You understand? So now let's move on to marriage woman. Marriage woman, as I was saying, the same thing applicable to marriage woman. Your NIM is very, very important. Now you might want to ask me that, okay, won't I change my name on NIM? You will change your middle name. Yes, your father name will change to your husband's surname. That is the only thing you need to change. Change that one. So once you are done with that, you can now proceed to your registration, because you can't claim being married and you don't have your husband's name change, except you want to register as single. You understand? Married woman will change their name to their father's. They will change their father's name to their husband's name. You understand? So now, having done that, documents needed for marriage woman ranges from marriage certificate. Yes, they need that one. It's very, very compulsory. Is it only court? No, they accept any kind of certificate. Court certificate, traditional wedding, church certificate, what's it called, mosque certificate, even all these community of a thing, they accept it. You understand? It's not compulsory to be what's it called, court certificate, marriage certificate. So you need marriage certificate. It's very, very important. You understand? That will show that you've changed your father's name to your husband's name. You understand? Now, next to it is newspaper change of name. Yes, newspaper change of name is very, very important. So it will publicize that you've changed your father's name to your husband's name. Any kind of newspaper is available, is accepted. It's not compulsory. Vanguard, Punch, Tribune. No, 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 no. Any kind of newspaper is accepted. Get that one done before registration starts, because you'll be uploading them during registration. Then next to it is affidavit, court affidavit. You need to get that one done. It's similar to a newspaper publication, just to know that you've sworn that your husband name is now your new name. You understand? That is that. Then next to it is domicile letter. Domicile letter is just like attestation letter. Shows that you are domiciled in a particular local government. Let's say, for instance, you are domiciled in Kuje. So you must get your domicile letter from Kuje local government that shows that you and your husband are resident of this particular local government. The essence of this is for NYSC to post you to that particular local government. You understand? I don't know why they don't give married man opportunity like this. Only married woman. You don't know what man do, man. No. So next to it is husband ID card. Your husband ID card, being NIM, driver's license, international passport. You understand? Your husband ID card, all this government ID card, driver's license, international passport, NIM, then voter's card. Yes. So you need that one. Everything will be uploaded during registration. Next to it, your own O level, wife O level, You need to go with it. Then utility bill. Utility bill can be NEPA bill, can be water bill. Now, virtually everybody are using prepaid meter now. Yes, you can go to all these all these agents. You make payment of just 1,000 just to get the printout of the bill. You understand? And also you can screenshot payments of your recent payment of your NEPA bill from your portal you are buying it from, then upload that one. It's accepted. You understand? But it's advisable to get from all these agents. You understand? So that is for married woman. If you don't understand, you can rewatch this video. You understand? So now next to it is foreign student. Married woman, I will be telling you something at the end of this video, so that you get to know if at all you are not being posted to where your husband domicile. You understand? Now let's move on to foreign student. As a foreign student, you need all these informations as well. You need NIM as well. You need NIM. Everything must correspond. Now, the first document you need is your international passport that shows that you actually traveled. You understand now? You need international passports. It's very, very important. Then next to it, you need your school certificate. You schooled in Oxford, you school in Benin or whatever. You need this school degree certificate, not the statement. The certificate is important. You understand? Then next to it, your O level. I'm talking to foreign students. Your O level certificate. O level certificate is very, very important. NECO, WAEC, NAPTEP. You understand? You need the certificate, not the statement. Then next to it is evaluation letter. For those that are yet to be evaluated. Actually, most schools do get this evaluation letter for their students. But if your school didn't get it for you, you need to get evaluation letter. You have to go to Ministry of Education in Abuja. You do the normal routine, you do the process, you get the evaluation letter. You understand? It's very, very important. Then next to it, you need to go with your passport. Those are the documents needed for everyone registering, except if you are physically challenged and you want to register. Probably you are an SS, you are physically challenged, you have to get doctor's report with doctor's license. You upload it during registration. You understand? So married woman, the essence of doing this is for you to be get posted to where your husband stays. You understand? So those are the things needed for registration. All basic informations, you understand, for both Nigerian, foreign and married woman. Basic information like your address, next of kin, phone number. You should know that institution attended. So then you can select state where you want to be posted. Posting is being done randomly. You understand? So those are the information needed. Like I promised married women, if at all you are being posted outside where your husband's domicile, that is, you are expected to be posting to Lagos State, but you are being posted to Ondo State. Once you have all your documents, your marital documents, don't go to Ondo State. Go back to Lagos camp. They will change your letter for you, and you have Lagos State, what's it called, posting letter. So that is how it's been done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.